are you?
So today we are going to upcycle a men's shirt into a puffer. So the men's button-up has gone through quite the renaissance over the last couple of years, with a lot of people reimagining its cut, shape, structure, turning it into things it was not initially intended to be. And today we're going to do that. So I have a men's button-up. I have extra white fabric and this. So we are going to be using this as padding to create that puffer look. It's kind of like batting, and I really hope it's thick enough. I've got 2 rolls, so hopefully there'll be enough. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up a bunch of seams. So because I have to open up a bunch of seams, that also means I have to re-sew a bunch of seams, and I want this to be the least painful thing I have to do. So I'm not going to open up the shirt completely. Here's the solution I've come up with, and I hope it works out for me. I am going to open up this seam here, so from the top of the sleeve all the way down to here on both sides. So next, we have some fabric. So I'm going to lay this on top of the fabric and then trace out the shape for each piece. So for the back, 2 for the front, and then 2 for the arms. So I want the puffiness to start at this seam, so that's where I'm gonna follow. So piece number 1.
I'm going to trace the sleeve while it's on a fold.
Next, so these pieces that I've just cut, I am going to lay them onto this and cut out pieces similar to them. Here are the pieces, the padding, and the lining. Now we attach it to the main piece.
We'll start with the back.
Here's what's going on. We have pinned the padding and the lining down to the fabric, and I am going to sew around the edge first and then across to create the puffer jacket pattern.
Everything down, and we're back to the sewing machine.
So I've sewn every piece down. You can see that? Can you? Now what I'm going to do is just sew straight lines across. So I am going to use a pencil and a ruler to draw out guidelines for myself. I hope I'm in frame. So the lines are going to be very faint, so I have no idea if the camera is going to pick up on them, but I promise that they're there. And when I am done, I will show you them up close in case you for some reason think I'm dragging my pencil across this piece of fabric and lying about it. I am not that person. So can you see the lines? They're very faint. My battery's about to die. Hopefully it holds up until I finish sewing. So a lot has happened since my phone died, but apparently I am still not done. So I wanted to show you what I'm doing on the sleeve. So you see this. This is the opening. I have chosen to cut this down the middle. I'm folding this in like this, pinning it down. So the stitch will catch it and hold it. And the same thing on the other side. And we have an opening. So now we have a very oddly shaped cape. This is the current situation. Very chic, if I do say so myself. So now I'm just gonna cut some threads and then we're gonna close everything up and I will look like the Michelin man, but make it fashion. Everything that I need to hem. Here is the sleeve. Laid everything down, and I think I am finally ready to sew this guy closed. So the same way we tore it open, we sew her together again. Okay. I'm gonna pin that down first, just so that I know everything is where it needs to be.
Hey, that's pretty good.